Hello guys, today we're going to do our, one of my first unboxing videos, and today we're going to be unboxing Kinder eggs. Start with this one. So, what you first do, just open the egg. Just open it. Open it right here. First, put it over there. Since it's an egg, you do this to any other egg. Then you get a little toy. But first, you gotta eat the chocolate. You gotta violently break the egg to get the container toy. You still have. And then you want to go on and over okay, another one. I'm opening it there. And let me do the other one. Another toy. Got one over there. Yeah. Let's go, huh? Oh. And then do that. Yeah. It's all right here. Yeah, I'm going. It's all. Like this. Yeah. Yes. Then there you go. That's how you open Kinder eggs. Half of it. You can have one half. Eat it up. Ah. Whoa. Hold on. Ah. Dang it. Down below there. So, we got one. We got two. We got three. We got four. Let's start opening up the first one. See what we get. So we get a toy. This is background music. Better than anything else, you know? What the frick? Oh wait, like this. So, what the? Oh, I think it's like this. Yeah, it's like this. Alright, we did it! We'll set her off to the side. Don't bother reading the instructions. Now we gotta open up this one. Oh, it's a car. I might need that. I don't know how to assemble this. I got one part. Well, what about like this? See, we don't need a manual. We can do this. Well, I built the car, I guess. We'll just set that off to the side. Another one. Hey, we got a different one. Alright, there we go. Now we have ballerina. What? No. We just, oh, dang it. We did a, how do I do this? Oh yeah, I think we need to just, oh, what? Just, well, we assembled the person, or we assembled them. Oh, we'll just, oh wait, I know how to do this now. What the heck? Oh yeah, sorry, like this. So, we have her standing, and I think I know where these go. Just, wow, what the heck? Just go like right here or something? Like, I'm trying to figure out how to assemble this, but I just don't know how. Well, at least we got the girl. That's all that matters. Set them off to the side. Move that, move that. We got a different toy. Whoa. What does this person do? Snake? Alright, we just, do we shoot the snake? Oh, we shoot the snake. Alright. We just set that off to the side. We only care about this. We only care about the gun. Alright, let's go. What the? How do you put a gun on him? Dumb. What the? How do you do this thing? I don't know how to do this without instructions. Maybe that was a bad idea just to do that. Hey, we did it! I think. I don't know where it is now. Is it right here? Oh yeah, it's right here. Oh, let me open it. Hey, here are the instructions. Here they are. Look at that. Oh, not like that. You just. Is that it? Oh, there it is. And we just. Let me get that back. Okay. Get it back. Got it. Alright. Put it back. And we got a toy. Hey, we got a toy. And now we got the full set. Oh, I can't even stand. Just take off the gun. Or take off the weapon. Or take off the shooty thing. I don't really do. We got a psychic girl, music girl, car. That's fine. Alright, this is the whole collection of my new unboxing. So long.